It's just gonna sit here. I think this is good. Is that a good angle, guys? Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna walk out this door. We're gonna pretend like I didn't just do that whole intro thing. This will be the actual intro. Oh my god, hey guys! I've got 3 problems. Recently, I sold my only camera I use for all of my videos and streams, which sounds great. I made money from selling it, but the bad thing is I didn't realize how long shipping for a new camera would take because of this global pandemic. Love that one. So all of this footage you're gonna see today is gonna be filmed on an iPhone 8. Don't know what the quality looks like. Don't even know if I'm in frame right now. Think it's okay to be minimalistic sometimes? Today we are going to be. Problem number 2 being I've recently grown pretty bored. Not on creating videos, not on streaming. I'm just tired of my office space. And I need change. I need something new that makes me feel very excited about being in this room. I get tons of compliments on my setup all the time, but I feel like with being a creative person, you have to continuously change things up, and that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna completely rearrange everything. I'm gonna get more natural light in here, change some positioning and some stuff. That's the aim of today. I'm gonna completely rearrange my room with a bunch of new things that I built for myself, all filmed on an iPhone 8. So yeah, I don't know, I have no idea what this video is gonna be like. I feel like a real vlogger now. Check this out. I got this long like arm thing. Look how far I can extend out. Bring you guys all around my setup right now. This is my current setup. That's the towel on the floor, which I'm gonna clean up really quickly. This is my setup. This is the room. Do you guys like it? This is so weird. I feel so unnatural holding this. I am dizzy. Oh my god. Okay. A lot of people know me for having these 2 pink lights in the background of everything I do. Most of the time when you come into my stream, it looks a little something like that. And I've had these lights for nearly a year and a half at this point. I love these in particular because these were one of the first DIY projects I actually did for my room. This whole lantern set was different components that I found at different stores. I found this lantern shade at Lowe's. I found the pole at Home Depot. And the light bulbs actually came from our Christmas tree. And in the shelves behind them, I put a lot of different knickknacks and things like G-Fuel boxes. It creates a great aesthetic and I've really liked it for a long time. But it's time for a change. There's just one thing I really feel like has been lacking, and it is natural light. As you can see behind me, I have a blackout curtain preventing any light from getting in here. I've been emo most of my life. I haven't really liked light. But recently I've been wanting more natural sunlight in my room. So what my plan is for today is I'm gonna take my desk here and move it back there against the windowsill. Have that natural light come in on my face. I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing with all these chairs and the G Fuel in my refrigerator yet, because once my desk is right here, you can see everything that is back this way. So the first order of business is I'm going to be moving my entire desk over there by the windowsill. I need to also clean up a little bit because I have some messy cords and everything everywhere. So I'm gonna put you guys somewhere. This is engineering at its finest. You guys right here. So I got a lot of stuff done here already. As you can see, I have the desk in front of the window now. Already, all of that natural light is just coming in so much better. This is gonna be great for filming videos. As you can see, I have a total mess to reassemble over here. I am sweating so badly, but it's coming together slowly but surely. Everything's gonna be right there. It's gonna look good. Gotta clean up a little bit more, but we're getting through it. Over here, I'm gonna cable manage that off camera, and then it's time to start building the rest of the setup. So let's do it. I don't know how to transition out of this scene. Oh god. So there's not too much more to my whole arranging of my office, but 2 really important things to tie all together was both cable management and proper lighting. Starting with the cable managing, it took me a while to kind of figure out how I wanted to route everything. I have a ton of cables for my switch or my DSLR camera that came in, so I just took some cable management sleeves, threw everything in there, and I think it actually turned out pretty good. It looks very clean and flush. You can hardly see any cords from the bottom of my setup. And this is what I've wanted for a long time, because if you watch any of my old videos where my setup is in the background, one thing I've struggled with is cable management. On top of all that being managed and it looking clean now, I now have my DSLR camera that I've been so excited to have. This is my dream camera. I'm gonna have a lot of cool content coming for you guys soon on this. But that brings me to my next point of the lighting in the room, which is very important since I have a nice camera now. I want to have extremely crisp and nice lighting. You saw me unbox it a second ago, but I got 2 RGB floodlights. One going on the left side for pink in the room and one on the right for blue. Now they are extremely bright, as you can see, and this will help illuminate the room even when I do have daytime streams where the natural light's coming in. It won't be drowned out. You can still see the nice contrast of the 2 colors. And with that, I decided to keep one of my floor lamps and my refrigerator behind me. Now on the right side, things got a little interesting. I like to call this device the DIY crane. Since I was filming on an iPhone 8 this entire time, I needed something better than that chair at the beginning of the video that I used to hold up my camera. I decided to take a tripod that was kind of partially broken. I attached a scissor arm mount to it and it worked very well actually. It's very sketchy, but I have another use for it that makes the lighting even better. I wanted the blue light to be a little bit higher up and shoot down onto the ground, and luckily for me, I just built a DIY crane, so I just put the blue light on top of that, and it's very sketchy, but hey, we made it work. And other than that, all I had to do was move my G Fuel to that casing that was previously behind me. I think it looks good. It's a nice collection right there to my side if I ever want to grab some, and that pretty much does everything for my rearrangement of my office. Am I blue enough? Yeah, this light makes me look pretty blue, huh? This is what we're working with now. I honestly think it looks pretty good. I saved a lot of money on lighting by just finding some cheap stuff myself. I think I'll put some additional lighting for the nighttime above me here. I've already tested out this new camera, which I'm so excited to finally have. You guys are gonna see a lot of content on that soon. The lens I have is perfect and the colors contrast each other so well. The room feels a lot bigger now that I have everything moved around. Everything used to be right here. Now it is back against this wall. Natural lighting, new cool ambiance, new feeling. I think it looks pretty good for what we did. A lot of fun. I'm excited to record some videos in this new space that I have set up. But yeah, I feel rejuvenated. I feel good. That just about wraps it up for me here today, guys. Thank you so very much for watching today. And if you haven't already and you don't mind doing so, go ahead and drop a sub like. I feel like I'm very shaky with this. That's a subscribe, a like, and a comment. And I will see you in the next video!